a lot of people may not know about microbials. Um, Basically, we have a team approach. So when I talked about Dr. Fred Farley, and when you talk about microbes and you look at a label, not all the products are the same. So when you talk about like Bacillus subtilis, everybody probably has that, and that's like saying Homo sapien. So what we like to say, and it sounds kind of cheesy, but this is how it's, and I'm not a microbiologist, but this is how it's been explained to me is, like our Bacillus subtilis is like Michael Jordan. So you might have 400 Michael Jordans in the US, but we have the one that plays basketball and he's pretty good at golf and baseball too. So that's kind of where we come from with that. So we have those guys, and we just continue to ferment them, and we have those strains, and they're all from the environment that we pulled from all over. Fred pulled them from different places all over the world, and then he's built teams. So like when we say diversity, we have 25 to 32 different microorganisms in each formula. So with those, like with the Thatch Buster product that we'll talk about, that obviously eats thatch and is a liquid aeration product. I mean, you've got 16 microbes in there that all they do is eat cellulose. There's 10 that eat chitin and 2 that eat lignin. So it's like a team approach, and that's good because you never know what type of they're going to perform differently depending on the environmental conditions that you're faced with. So that's a big deal. And then the other thing that I talked about is, you can find products out there that are watered down. We want viability and we want shelf life. So we have 500 million microbes per 20 drops of water, or 20 drops. So when you put the microbes on your soil, they're going to start working like